How to pair Sony WH-1000XM6 headphones with iPhone or iPad via Bluetooth. Step 1. Turn on Bluetooth on your iPhone, iPad. Open the Settings app. Tap Bluetooth. Toggle the switch to on, if it's not already on. Step 2. Put the headphones in pairing mode if it's your first time using the headphones. Just turn them on by holding the power button for about 2 seconds. The blue light will flash, and you'll hear pairing. If already paired with another device, hold the Bluetooth button on the headphones for 5 seconds until the blue light flashes. Step 3. Connect from your iPhone, iPad on your iPhone, iPad under Bluetooth settings. Wait for WH-1000XM6 to appear under other devices. Tap WH-1000XM6. If prompted for a passcode, enter 0. Step 4. Confirm the connection. Once connected, you'll hear a notification sound or voice message confirming the connection. The device name will move to the My Devices list and show as connected.